Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. In this video, I'm going to be looking at accidents that happen in the office, offering you some completely free advice on what to do if you've been involved in an office accident, along with information on how you're able to speak to a law firm on a free, confidential and no obligation basis in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. If you've been injured in the office and it wasn't your fault, it may well be possible to claim compensation. In order to secure the compensation that you're entitled to, you must be able to demonstrate that your employer was negligent. Negligence in cases like this is when they have not done something which they would have been expected to do in order to ensure the safety of their employees. This can include not carrying out a risk assessment, not following through on action points in the risk assessment, not providing safe and well-maintained equipment for their staff to work on, or not providing regular, up-to-date and ongoing safety training. Now, regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, we believe it's always advisable to seek help from an expert with experience in dealing with claims of this nature on a regular basis. And I'll shortly be explaining how you can speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny. But first, I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do which should only help to strengthen your claim. You should ensure that an accident report is completed in your workplace's accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure that everything was completed correctly and no vital details were left out. Take photographs of the accident scene and, if possible, what it was that specifically caused the accident. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and make a note of when this took place, as it will make it much easier to get hold of records at a later date. Keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident. This can include medical costs, care costs, travel costs, the cost of any personal items damaged in the accident, any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Also, make a note of any witnesses to the accident and ask for a copy of their contact details should a statement need to be taken from them at a later date. Now, as promised, I'm going to go into how you can speak to a workplace accident claims specialist completely free of charge in order for you to see what your options are. You can contact legalexpert.co.uk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk, where our team will do all they can to help you establish what your best course of action is. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that there's no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are Accident at Work Claims Specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.